Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering the earbuds and putting them into pairing mode. This matters because Windows can only see devices that broadcast. Once done, open Start, go to Settings, choose Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If not, toggle it. Next, click Add Bluetooth or other device and pick Bluetooth. You're starting the direct connection, don't skip pairing mode, because Windows will fail to detect the earbuds otherwise. You'll see the earbuds appear in the Add Device list. Select the exact name shown, because similar names can confuse Windows. If Windows asks for a PIN, confirm the default or accept the prompt on the earbuds. Most modern models use no PIN. Once connected, Windows shows connected. Click Done. If the device registers but audio doesn't route, make sure you set the earbuds as the playback device in sound settings. Because pairing alone doesn't always set, you should now set the earbuds as the default playback and communications device in sound settings so apps route audio to them. Next, play a test file or a YouTube clip and adjust volume. Confirm microphone input in device properties if you need voice. If audio fails, remove the device from Bluetooth settings and re-add it, as that often clears corrupted pairings. As a final tip, update Bluetooth drivers in Device Manager if repeated pairing fails. That resolves most persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.